Hi friends, today I'll be explaining you about major codes used in boiler pressure vessel. That is AWS American Welding Society D1.1 refer to structural welding codes of steel. AWS D1.2 refer to structural welding code aluminum. ASME Section 9 refer to boiler and pressure vessel welder qualification. ASME B31 refer to pressure piping. API American Petroleum Industry Standard 1104 refer to standard for welding of pipeline and related facilities. And there are several types of ASME code, but for boiler and pressure vessel, what are the main section is ASME section 1 refer to power boilers, section 2 refer to material specification, ferrous, non-ferrous and welding rod, electrode and pillar material. Section 3 refer to nuclear power plant component. Section 4 refer to heating boiler. Section 5 refer to non-destructive examination. Section 6 refer to recommendation rule for care and operation of heating boiler. Section 7 refer to recommendation rule for care of power boilers. Section 8 refer to pressure vessel division 1 and 2. Section 9 refer to welder qualification. Section 10 refer to fiberglass reinforced plastic pressure vessel. Section 11 refer to rules for in-service inspection of nuclear reactor coolant. So these are the main ASME section being involved in boiler pressure vessel. Thank you.